Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel AmgK and hope you all are doing good. So आज की तारीख है 7 नवंबर 2021 और टाइम है अराउंड 8 AM. तो हुआ क्या अभी we were having breakfast and we decided to go on a small little road trip. So I thought why not take y'all with me. And where are we going? Well, that is for you to tell me. Comment down and guess where are we going. एक hint दूंगा आपको. We are going somewhere in the south. And right now the plan is to get ready as fast as possible and leave. So with that, I'll start packing and I'll see you in some seconds. But before that, welcome to the first episode of Travel Series 2. ओके तो अभी टाइम हो चुका है 11:15 and we are finally packed and we are ready to leave. And one more thing I forgot to mention, we are not taking the bike, we are actually going by car. So yeah, let's put all the stuff in the car and let's leave. Trip set to 0. तो अभी हम साखली पहुँचे हैं और फ्यूल अप हो रहा है एज वी कैन सी राइट नाउ. राइट नाउ वी आर एट चोला घाट. तो मैंने बताया नहीं कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. तो राइट नाउ वी आर प्लानिंग टू गो टू बेलगाम एंड बाद में उधर से आगे देखेंगे. बट फॉर नाउ जस्ट चेक आउट दिस व्यू. तो अभी हम ऑलमोस्ट बेलगाम पहुंच गए हैं एंड आई फील लाइक ड्राइविंग, सो वी आर स्विचिंग ड्राइवर्स. नाउ आई विल ड्राइव एंड चोला घाट का रास्ते के एक निशान गाड़ी पे, दिस चोला घाट का निशानी. So let's go now and drive. So made it at Hotel Ramdev at 3:30. तो अभी एक छोटा सा अपडेट. आफ्टर दैट माउथ वाटरिंग एंड टेस्टी बिरयानी, द टाइम इज 5 o'clock and now I've come to the car to get our bags. We are currently staying at Ramdev Hotel in Belgaum, which is on PB Road, Nehru Nagar, near Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College. And I'll show you how the room and everything looks right now. So yeah, let's go. Also, one tip, if you all are traveling by car and if your car doesn't have tint on the windows because of XYZ reasons, these shades are pretty good. So it's like this metal frame with this cloth, and it has magnets over here, like all around it, which makes it quite easy to put on the frame and take it off. You just have to pull it this way, and to put it on, it's that simple. Also, this has this little chain over here which you can lift like this, so in case you want to access with the glass down, obviously you can do that and put the chain back. And yeah, the door also closes perfectly, and you can see the amount of difference it makes. If you are interested in getting these shades for your car, I will put a link, Amazon link of them in the description of this video. Buy the ones which are for your car, okay? And this is how the car will look from inside. I'll just show you the car from outside as well. So I'll take a few of the bags now and I'll keep them in the room. Until then, have a look at the hotel. This brings us to the end of day one, so I'll just go and do some editing work.